What's going on, guys? This is Smitty with Modern Pro Polish. This week we had this 2018 C7 Grand Sport Corvette come in for our paint correction and ceramic coating application. First, we did a decontamination on the vehicle to make sure it was completely smooth and to remove any contamination that was embedded in the paint. Then we proceeded with our one-step paint correction, removing all swirls and in particular water spots that were etched into the paint to make sure we could pull the depth back out of that crazy color, which is Admiral Blue on this Corvette. We also had to remove heavy staining on the stripes of the vehicle from the weathering from over the years. They were essentially brown and now they're back to their vibrant white glossy look. Following the paint correction, we applied the Opticoat Pro ceramic coating to all of the paint and the stripes to make sure that we could lock in that gloss for years to come. If you need anything done to your C7 Corvette or any generation of Corvette, please give us a call at 910-759-3756. And we're located at 706 Hope Mills Road on the Fayetteville end of town. If you're a Corvette owner, make sure that you make an investment in your vehicle's excellence so that you can guarantee that it doesn't end up in a place like this. What I call the Corvette graveyard. It's a place that I've gone by for all of my life and tried to figure out who in the world would let these vehicles rot away like this. When you protect your investment, it keeps your vehicle front of mind. It makes you want to enjoy the vehicle, make sure that you have something to pass down from generation to generation and not sit around from generation to generation until it's no longer in existence. Have your vehicle protected today. We love to treat it with Opticoat Pro or any of our other accommodating ceramic coatings. And please don't forget to make an investment in your vehicle's excellence.